Sophie.
Okay, so good afternoon to each and everyone and welcome to McDonald's Newport. While waiting for the others po, start up tayo ng party. Yay! Ayan. So, I'm your host for today. I'm Marlon and we have a birthday party coordinator po, si Miss Rita and Jam. And we have our party assistant po, si Roland, yung nagdadala po ng food. If you need anything, ma'am, sir, just ask our party assistant po. At saka, sila na pong bahala sa atin. So, before we start, Carvin po here in front. Sana po. Hi, Carvin. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then, kids, I want all kids here in front. On the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, puro girls ha. 6, 7. How about the boys? Ayan. 8, 9, and 10. Girls, stay tayo sa side ni Carvin, of course. Si Carvin sa middle. Hi. Okay. Dito po. Okay, kids. Sino want to join natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, kids, asmay naman dyan, ha? So, your tip. Ayan, then look at the camera muna. Look at the camera, kids. Carvin, and don't forget to smile. Smile, kids. And then next, Waki shot. Waki. Waki. 1, 2, 3, and smile. So everybody, thank you kids. So before we start, of course. Oh, wait lang kids. Dito lang kayo sa front. Dito lang, dito lang. Dito lang, dali. Tabihan natin si Carvin. Kuya, dali. Tabihan natin si Carvin dito. Ayan, okay? So before we start, we're going to greet Carvin a happy birthday, but not only to greet, of course, but to sing. So everybody clap your hands and sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, once more everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. So, happy birthday, Carvin. So today is gonna be full of fun and surprise as we celebrate for the 7th birthday of Carvin here at McDonald's Newport. So kids and everybody, are you ready for the game and prize? Yeah! Okay, for the game and prize? Okay, so kids, dyan lang kayo, okay? And be ready for our first game. So, nag-guess lahat, kids, no? So, everybody can join this game. So, mommy and daddy, ready your bags and wallets. Because our first game is called Bring Me Game, kids. At the count of 5, kung sino yung mauna, okay? Kung sino yung mauna, yun lang ang bibigyan ko ng prize, okay? I have a lot of prize, kids. So, be ready. Okay? So, listen to Kuya Marlon. Ronald McDonald said, who can bring Kuya Marlon a 5 centavo coin? Kids, go! 1, 2, 3. Ako, sino kaya mga 5 centavo coin? 4, 4.5, and 1. So, ating patingin nga po. Patingin yung 5 centavo coin. Ayun, yung may butas sa gitna. Okay, so congratulations. What's your name? Johan. Okay, as a surprise. And congratulations. Okay mo na kay Mami. So, kids, okay, lahat ng kids na dito sa front. We're not yet done. Isa pa lang naman yon. Okay? And be ready. Ronald McDonald said, who can bring Kuya Marlon a okay, 1,000 peso bill. Buong 1,000 kids. Go! 1, 2, 3. 3 pa lang ako, kids. Wala na. 3 pa lang ako. 3, 4. Wala? Pass! Sasayahan ulit. So, taas yung, 1,000 pesos. Dali, taas. Make sure 1,000. So, Mami Carvin, may 2,000 na tayo. Okay. Minus natin. Okay na, no? Bibigyan na natin sila ng pang-take out. Then, joke lang, kids. So, congratulations. Ayan. Balikin na yan kay Mami. Ayan, tinatapon yung 1,000. Okay, kids. Ayaw mawala pang prize. Nandito ulit sa front. Okay, huwag kayo malungkot. Marami tayong prize, okay? So, be ready, kids. Round of McDonald's said, sabi ni Kuya Marlon, everybody can join this game. Who can bring Kuya Marlon white hair, kids, puting buhok. Go! 1. Sino may puting buhok? Everybody can join this game. 1. Puti ba yan? Hindi, mali. Patingin. Brown, Kuya Brown. Wait lang, ulit pa lang. 1, banana. 2. 3, Kuya. 4, and 5. So, ito po, puti. Ito yung puting white niya. So, congratulations, Kuya. Ayan, bigyan ni Tita ng prize. Okay, so lahat ng kids dito sa front. Lahat ulit ng kids dito sa front. And be ready.